So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video. Every like and comment goes a really long way. Hit the bell button so that you can get a notification every time I post a new video, because you would have subscribed, right? Like I said, please share this video with all the Ihekeramas or Ifekeramas that you know. And also share it with a friend who might also want an Igbo name. So if you have an Igbo name, let me know in the comment section or hit me up on my Instagram, and I can feature your Igbo name on the Igbo name of the day. If you don't have one, that's cool. I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo name of the day giveaway, like on the next episode. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for your support of this YouTube channel thus far. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Yo, wall up, you can't even get the scores up for us. I don't know what's up with our love,